In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access Chatgpt-4 for free without needing Chatgpt+. This guide will walk you through the simple steps to take advantage of the latest features, ensuring you can leverage the power of this advanced AI model without any extra cost. To begin, the first step is to navigate to Chatgpt in your web browser. Visit the official site to access the chat interface. If this is your first time visiting, or if you need the latest updates, it's best to bookmark the site for quick access in the future. Once you're there, you'll be prompted to either log in if you already have an account or create a new one if you don't. This is an essential step because having an account allows you to save your chat history and maintain a seamless user experience. If you're creating a new account, make sure to provide a valid email address and choose a secure password. It's often helpful to use a password manager to generate and store strong passwords to keep your account secure. After you've set up or logged into your account, it's time to open a new chat. This will bring up the chat window where you can begin interacting with the model. The interface is intuitive and easy to use, designed to facilitate interaction with the AI. Now here's the exciting part. Previously, access to the GPT-4 level features required a ChatGPT Plus subscription, but now the free tier includes access to GPT-4 level capabilities. This means you can experience the enhanced performance and capabilities of the upgraded model simply by using the free tier. You'll immediately notice improvements in the quality of responses and the model's ability to understand complex queries. With your chat open, begin by typing your prompt or question into the provided text box. Consider thinking about what you want to ask in advance to make the most of the conversation. The AI is designed to understand and respond to a wide range of queries, from casual questions to technical and detailed inquiries. After submitting your prompt, wait for the AI's response. Due to the advanced nature of GPT-4, the responses should be more accurate and contextually aware than earlier versions. If you find the initial response needs more detail or context, feel free to ask follow-up questions. The chat function allows for a dynamic learning process, where you can refine and explore topics deeply through multiple interactions. Remember, the key to a productive session is clear and concise communication with the AI. And there you have it, a straightforward guide to accessing GPT-4 on the ChatGPT platform without needing a subscription. This accessibility ensures everyone can harness the power of AI to learn, explore, and create in a cost-effective manner. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your new AI-powered adventures.